hemispheres together is something we call as corpus callosum. Corpus callosum. It's a group or it's a band of neurons that are connecting the two hemispheres together. Okay? So if we're trying to cut, we're gonna use the knife.
Now, guys, pay attention because you need to cut after Miss Dina. Guys, you pay attention. You may come here. You may come here if you. You may come here.
Ladies, come here.
Yes.
Ladies, come here. It's gonna be your first cut that you need to make.
Because there is no plenty of brains.
It's gonna be the first cut that you need to make. So right down the center. You're separating
in the center.
hemispheres.
What connects them is a group of neurons here. قلنا corpus callosum.
Is this
Okay?
the white matter, Miss Dina?
Sorry?
Is this the white matter, Miss Dina?
No, outside we have the gray matter, okay? And inside, this is the gray matter, or we call it as the cortex, okay? And here we have the white matter. You know that the white matter is composed of what? Axons, which has myelin. The axon is covered with myelin. The myelin gives it its white color, okay? And the gray matter is composed of what? Neurons. It's full of neurons. تمام? These neurons.
No, it's bad. There's a lot of fat in blood. Yeah, I do. So can you show me what you have to compare?
I think we cut it.
No.
Hey. Thanks for that. Yeah. Pull it out with your cheeses. Whatever.
Yeah, this one.
I think so. Is it?
Now it's a brain.
We're back.
It's slowly falling apart.
Is the olfactory bulb.
ايش هي؟
Olfactory bulb is
إيش- إيش- وين-
responsible
وين؟
for smelling. This one.
طيب ليش تغير هنا؟
English, sir.
It's
Why is it
white.
small?
It's a neuron.
اوكي.
على فكرة it's very developed here.
اوكي.
Why do you think?
What do you think about what?
It's developed in the sheep brain.
Seems like it's well developed.
Yeah, for what? Why? You have a question. You can answer.
one, right? This one?
This one is the olfactory bulb, yes. And here must be, this is the optic nerve, okay? This is part of the optic nerve that's going to make a cross here. طبعا it's destroyed here. It must be making a cross here, which is called the optic chiasm.
طبعا
It's where the two optic nerves are going to meet. Okay? تمام? Again, خلينا نقول this is the frontal lobe, parietal
Is it
lobe.
normal that it's brown?
Yeah. أصلاً it's the covering, by the way. It's the arachnoid.
Can we remove that? Yeah.
Yes, we can remove it, but once you remove it, you're gonna destroy the whole brain. All the folds gonna appear.
So what's this part?
This is the cerebellum. Okay. So here we have the parietal lobe. Here we have the temporal lobes. Okay. And the occipital lobe at the back, which is responsible for vision. Okay. And these are the gyri. These are the gyri that are making the
Are you solving the worksheet after taking the demonstration?
Where is the optic nerve?
How we'll finish. What we'll do with the brain. Okay. She's our lead on the dissection.
غلط تمام.
You ruined the video, by the way. You ruined the video with your laugh. طلع صوتك بالفيديو.
The teeth. There shouldn't be any talking or writing or playing with your brains.
Hi guys. You know that the brain is part of which system? the nervous system. The CNS, which stands for what? Central nervous system. We have the sheep brain here in front of us. I guess that you've touched it, and you see the texture of the. You did not. You have your gloves. You can touch it. Okay. Starting with the brain, we have a rostral end for the brain and a caudal end. Okay. Rostral end is where the nose is going to be. Okay. And the caudal end is where the brain stem and the spinal cord is going to be. Now, what is covering the brain, we have a covering that is called the what? Dura mater. Yes, exactly. The dura mater. What it stands for? You know? The tough mother. It's a very tough protective layer, okay? That is covering the whole brain. So it's kind of protective. It's for protection, so we call it as the tough mother. Unfortunately, they ruined the dura mater while they were trying to remove the brain. That's why you can't see it. It's a very tough protective layer. Okay. Now the brain itself is composed of parts. We have the cerebrum. This is the cerebrum. Okay. I prefer to use yours. Okay. We have the cerebrum. This large part is the cerebrum. We have the cerebellum, okay? And the last part, which is going to be the brain stem. A part of the brain stem, we have it here, okay?
Pick up your brains. Find those three components. I have a question. So it says, can you switch between cerebellum and the
So what is the cerebrum? What is the cerebellum? What is the brain stem?
If you can
the brain stem والcerebellum وبس.
Cerebellum, brain stem. Get the brain stem out. No, brain stem out. Get the brain stem out.
أنا ما أدري بدك هاي يعني.
No, the brain stem is at the end. This is like a nerve.
هي
do we transport it onto
Okay, fine.
أنا خليك نام عليك
Gently. No. Just move it. Just hold it.
أنا